Hi, Ms. Andrzejewski. My name is Jordan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Would you hold this while we talk? It's a tool that we use in our business. We have a thing that we call silly putty tickets. Remember silly putty, right? You can shape it, stretch it, mold it. Well, we can shape and mold our tickets to your specific needs to help you increase your sales. For instance, how many local salespeople do you have?
Around 5.
How many key accounts does each salesperson have?
10 approximately.
And what size is an important account?
Give or take $25,000.
How important is new business to your salespeople?
Oh, extremely important.
Do you have a strict plan that is designed to get new business every month?
Not really.
It's always tough to get salespeople to focus on new business. By using our silly putty tickets, you can get them to focus on new business and you can keep track. For example, the first step is to have each salesperson identify in writing to you with new prospects that are key to them. That wouldn't be too difficult to do, would it?
Oh, not at all.
Most of my clients have told me that the key to building business from new prospects is for the salesperson to develop a good relationship with them, usually through constant contact. A lot of times, to build a relationship, salespeople will use an out-of-the-office activity like golf or lunches. Some of my clients have told me their problem with golf is that some people just may not be good golfers, and it's almost more embarrassing to play than not. And it's pretty expensive. And when was the last time you had a memorable chicken sandwich at lunch? However, by using our silly putty tickets, you can get them to build these relationships and focus on new business, and you can keep track. Here's how it works. The salesperson calls a prospect who has been working on for a little while. He says, "How about joining me for a Kangaroos game next week? I've got the president's seats." This is not a situation of the salesperson just giving away the seats. It's a salesperson inviting the prospect to go with them. Now, the salesperson has a chance to do some real out-of-the-office bonding. Remember, he wants to develop a relationship through constant contact. Giving the tickets away doesn't help build that relationship. How effective do you think 2 to 3 hours at one of our Kangaroos game would go for building a relationship?
I would assume it's pretty effective.
You're exactly right. Look at how one of my clients have enjoyed success with our tickets. What could be even better when taking a prospect to a game is if you ask the president or maybe your sales manager to go as well. Would you be willing to do that occasionally for the right account?
Oh, definitely.
Would it be asking too much of your salespeople to spend just one evening a month with a key prospect at one of our games?
Just one game? Oh, not at all.
Our season is about 6 months long. If each one of your salespeople took just one key prospect a month to one of our games, each salesperson would bring 6 new prospects a season. Of those 6 prospects, how many do you think would end up as customers?
Well, I hope all of them, but I think 3.
Let's go bare minimum. Let's just say 1. If each salesperson converted just one prospect to become a new customer, that would be $25,000 for each salesperson. With 5 salespeople, that would be $125,000 in new business. Do you see how I arrived at that number?
Yeah, I do.
You know, we've been talking about new business. We might also consider your existing clients. After all, your competitor may be out there trying to build the relationships with your clients. Would it be asking too much to have your salespeople also spend one evening with your existing client as well as one evening with your prospect?
I don't think so.
To give each salesperson one game a month to take out a prospect, you would need 5 games a month. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, it does.
You need a similar amount of those games per month for your salespeople to take existing clients out to the games as well. You would need 5 games per month. In total, that's 10 games per month. Now, let's talk about which type of ticket would best fit you. Based on what you've told me, here's what I suggest you do. Our best seating area is the club level. With club seats, here's what you get. There's a member-exclusive lounge with 80 flat-screen TVs available to the members, as well as an exclusive restaurant available only to the members as well. This will provide a very good bonding experience with your prospects and also your clients. The cost to have a planned, controlled new business effort is really quite nominal for the return. For each one of your salespeople to take just one key prospect once a month and one current client a month, you would need 10 games per month or 60 games for the season. The return on investment is substantial. If each salesperson brought in only one piece of new business because of this focus on new business, your sales would increase by $125,000. Because you need 60 games, I recommend 4 full season tickets. That would leave games for your employees or more customers. Your cost for 4 season tickets is only $14,000. How happy do you think you'd be with those results by giving this plan a try? That decision would be worth at least $125,000 in new business to you, and maybe up to $250,000 in new business. I can get this order in today and reserve you some prime seats. Would you prefer the account in your name or the company's name?
I think I'll just buy the good games from StubHub instead.
I can understand how easy it is to buy from StubHub. However, StubHub has some weaknesses for businesses. One, you can't really plan in advance with a controlled new business strategy. You never really know how much you'll pay for tickets, and more importantly, whether you can get decent seats. You also don't get access to the other features and benefits of being a ticket package buyer with the team. What is it that's really causing you to hesitate here?
I just think it's too costly for us right now.
How do you mean?
Well, we've had a really tough year and cut some budgets, so I have to be smart on expenses.
I can understand that. Think about it this way. You said yourself that you thought that you can generate $125,000 in new business for a pretty reasonable cost of $14,000. That sounds like a pretty smart move on your part. What is it here that is really causing you to hesitate?
Well, I just think right now it's really hard to explain.
Let me tell you about another CEO that was in the same position as you, and he followed this plan and decided to give it a try. Take a look at these numbers.
Wow, looks pretty good. Seems like he had a really good investment.
How happy do you think he is that he gave this plan a try? That decision was worth $100,000 in new business to him. Let me get this order in today. Don't worry about a thing. I'll take care of all the details. That sound good?
Yeah, that sounds fine.
Terrific. Is this going under your company name or is it under your name?
My company name.
Can I actually have a credit card for information? Thank you. And with the information, I'll send you a confirmation email letting you know that the statement's been cleared. All right, here you go. Other than that, there's nothing really else we can talk about. I'll let you know. I'll keep update on the details. Thank you for your business.